What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today is my final look for my Hollow Queen series. Today is going to be Medusa. I am so excited about this look. I've been planning this look for the longest time. I'm pretty sure I don't have to explain who Medusa is, and this is just my spin on what I think Medusa would look like. Again, so basically the legend goes that Medusa was once a beautiful woman who was stalked by Poseidon, yes, the guy who rules the sea, and literally she was blamed for it because, you know, this is back in ancient Greece or Rome, wherever this lied at. And yeah, she a lot of stuff happened to her, but I can't say on YouTube because it's sensitive. Basically she was cursed by Athena to get snakes on her head and basically turn anybody into stone that looked at her because she was just that ugly. I spoke about this in plenty of my other videos. I love folklore, I love mythologies, I love anything of that aspect. So yeah, of course I had to bring Medusa in. Again, this is just my twist on what I think Medusa would look like. I use snakes. I know there's some people out there know that Medusa's hair was once locks, not snakes. I'm not ignorant to that fact. It's Halloween, y'all. Like, I'm trying to be scary. I'm not trying to be kind of realistic with this look. Oh, they're making actually a 7-foot statue of Medusa holding Perseus's head. But they are making a 7-foot tall statue of Medusa holding several heads of Perseus. And this will be installed in Manhattan. It's across the street from the New York County Criminal Court, which this location has a high profile of abuse cases, including some of the Harvey Weinstein trials. So yeah, just a few fun facts about Medusa and some things that I know about her at least. Yeah, so we can get back into the tutorial. As you guys can see or have been watching, I am just sitting here being goofy and listening to music with my cousin in the background. You can't see her, but she's there. And I'm just painting myself green. I already painted on my little, I guess you can say like it's a bustier type of situation, like kind of like a Grecian bustier, the things that they used to have, the Grecian warriors type of thing. I also used Mayron's powders. I forget what they're called. I will list it on my Instagram what the actual name is. I used it for my bustier color, the gold that you see, and I'm using it for my bracelets that I am painting now, my forearms. And I also started beginning to paint myself green. So I will chat with you guys when we get to the next step. So now onto the face. I am using my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk, and I also blocked my eyebrows out because we're not going to need them for this tutorial. And as you guys know by now, I am using the James Charles palette, and I'm going in with the shade Daddy. It's this very deep, like emerald green color, and I'm using that as my transition color. I did go back in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil, and I began to start cutting my crease. We are doing a very severe winged crease. And then I will go back in with the shade Social Blade Daddy, and I also used for my lid color Face, and I mixed that up with Ring Light. I went in with the NYX matte white liner, and I also wanted to cut my crease even more, so I used that. And I always use this little fan brush because I kind of have hooded lids and it sucks when you blink and it gets all in places where it's not supposed to go. Now I'm going to go in with some face paint. At first I created scales on there, but then I realized I had a stencil upstairs, and this is going to seem kind of ghetto, but I don't have an airbrush gun that works very well, or I don't have any green airbrush paint, so I had to work with what I had. So I'm going to go in first with some face paint, then I'm going to grab that stencil and I'm going to start creating my scales, my snakeskin on my face. And I'm going to just start drawing them out in general again, even though I just drew them all over my forehead, which is stupid. But I'm going to grab that stencil and I'm going to use that same Daddy shade and that Social Blade shade and create all my scales on my forehead. It made it a whole lot easier and made this process a whole lot faster for me. Now I'm going to start painting all over the rest of my face with that same green shade all over. So now I'm going to start creating my half skull look. I wanted to do this to represent that she basically turns people into stone. I didn't want to create a stone look because I felt like everybody's done something like that, and I hate seeing the same looks over and over again. I get very bored of that. So I wanted to do kind of like a half skull type of situation to represent how ugly she was, I guess, when she looked at people. I've done this look on 2 other of my looks on this series, so I'm gonna just breeze through this. If you guys want to see an in-depth video on how I make my half skulls or my skull looks, they are going to be linked below in my ringleader look and also my siren video. So now we are just going to add some under eye highlight because, I mean, just because she's ugly doesn't mean she doesn't like makeup. Duh. I'm kidding. And I'm also going to finish off my skull look and add the details to it as well, such as the shading. So now I'm just going to use that same Mayron gold powder to basically fill in where my neck area is, and I created this area like kind of as the belly of the snake, also to represent that she has snakes upon her or whatever. And I'm going to outline that and shade around that to make it look like it's above my skin. And then I will also add that gold powder to my lips because we're Medusa. We have to. I created this snake head headband, and I just used a regular headband I got from the beauty supply store. I got these rubber snakes off of Amazon. Once everything was together, I sprayed it with some gold paint spray I got from Hobby Lobby. I used a really hot glue gun and a lot of wires, and I placed them all over the place like how I would like them to go, and boom. And you guys, this is the final look. I popped in some contacts that I was sent by Pinky Rose Cosmetics. These contacts were also used in my Cheshire Cat tutorial last year for Halloween, and I love these contacts. They are literally my favorite contacts besides my blind ones. And this is also the final look of my Halloween series, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this series. I had too much fun creating all these looks for you guys. Yes, it was a lot of late nights and a lot of hard work, but I was literally having the time of my life. This was so much fun. And I know a lot of people are very upset because Halloween's over, but don't worry guys, I will be back. I'm going to start streaming very soon once I get everything set up. I have to clean my entire studio because it's a hot mess down there right now from me doing all these looks. But I will be taking a week off, and I will be back very soon because my birthday will be coming up and I'm doing something special for that. Also, I have something special for the holidays as well, so you will be seeing me very soon. There will be plenty more looks coming. And yeah, I'm just letting you guys know so nobody gets a little worried. But again, thank you so much for all the support, all the likes, comments, shares, everything. You guys are awesome. I really, really appreciate it. And again, happy Halloween. Be safe. Hope you guys get a lot of candy. Hope you guys stay safe when you go to parties if you are going out tonight. So I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.